Till now, we have discussed NQ and DQ operations. Now, let us see the traversal operation. Traversal is nothing but visiting all the elements of the queue at least once. That is nothing but displaying the elements of the queue from the beginning of the queue to the end of the queue. That is from the front of the queue to the rear end of the queue. We need to display the elements of the queue. Now, to display the elements of the queue, we can use the for loop. First, before displaying, every time we need to check whether the queue is empty. If the queue is empty, there are no elements in the queue, then we can say that nothing is there to display, queue is empty. Now, let us display the elements from front to the rear. Front is pointing to the 0th position and rear is pointing to the 4th position. Now we will display the elements from 0 to 4. That is nothing but first we are going to display the element 25, next 10, next 45 and followed by 75 and 86. So these are the elements of the queue. I have given the program name as queue using array gcc queue array.c and -o output file name I am going to give it as a queue. When we compile it, if any errors are there, errors will be displayed. Then we will execute the program. So queue is the output file name. So we are going to execute it with queue. So it is asking for 4 options: 1 NQ, 2 DQ, 3 traversal, 4 display. Let us give option 1 NQ. The maximum size of the queue we have taken as 5. When we enter 1, it will check whether the queue is full or not, as queue are already empty. So it allows us to insert the elements. First, I am inserting the element 10. Similarly, I'll give the option 1 one more time. Now, it will ask for insert one more element 20, again 1 30, again 1 40, again 1 50. Now I'll try to insert one more element. It is showing queue overflow. That means we have already inserted 5 elements. Now the insertion is not possible. So now when we give the option display, that is 3, that is traversal. So all the elements are displayed from 10, 20, 30, 40. These are the elements of the queue. Now let us try to delete the elements from the queue. Now let us take the option as 2. When we delete, the first deleted element is 10. The deleted element is 10. Next, we try to delete one more element. Give option 2. The next deleted element is 20. Again, we'll give 2. Next deleted element is 30. Even now also we can see what are the elements that are present in the queue by giving the option 3. Now the elements present in the queue are 40 and 50. 40 and 50. Now let us try to delete again. Option 2, deleted element is 40. Again 2, deleted element is 50. Now let us see one more time option 2. The queue is underflow, because all the elements are deleted. Now let us try to display the content of the queue. It will display you the queue is empty. We cannot display the elements of the queue as there is no element in the queue. Now you want to exit from your program. You can use the option 4 to exit from the program.